On the morning of December 10th, 2021, I rolled out of Norman, Oklahoma, en route to Jonesboro, Arkansas. The Storm Prediction Center had just put out a moderate risk with a 15% hatched area for strong, long-track tornadoes, centered over northeast Arkansas into the Kentucky region. This threat was in place for the overnight hours, so I knew it was a day where I needed to be locked in and focused for the task ahead. At 3 p.m., a tornado watch was issued for my target area. Several strong tornadoes appeared to be likely for the region, along with big hail. I stopped in Brinkley, Arkansas around 5:30 to restock on snacks and top off the gas tank when I decided to check the newest model run from the HRRR. This run was showing an isolated supercell tracking right through Jonesboro, along with a PDS tornado sickle-shaped topograph. It was at this moment I knew tonight could be the real deal. 6:41 p.m. I'm heading north on Highway 1 as an isolated supercell is fired off to my west and is now tornado warned. As I get on the south side of Jonesboro, I decide to pull off on County Road 476 with hopes of seeing the base. Within minutes, lightning starts strobing around my position. Some bolts close enough to send an eerie sizzling buzz through the power lines overhead, when suddenly, I almost get smoked.
Jesus! Whoa! Holy sh**!
Shortly after diving into the car, the wall cloud started to become visible between the flashes of lightning. With every flash, a new ghostly white lowering would appear, each one lower than the last. Inflow started picking up from the east, and that's when we knew something was about to happen.
Oh, it's right in front of us. There, I see it.
Is it big?
It's not fully condensed, no. That's strong inflow.
Yeah. That is.
Oh, I see it. I can get fully condensed tornado.
Yep, I know.
Beautiful fully condensed tornado.
Yep, there it is.
Just to, yeah, I see it. Come on, lightning, give us a good shot here.
Moments later, I finally see it, a fully condensed tornado coming right towards me.
Large tornado,
Oh my God,
it's about ready to go into Jonesboro.
Back in the car.
Yeah,
dude.
I'm jumping in the car.
It's gonna cross the road.
Yeah,
As I freeze the frame, you can clearly see it. A ghostly white tornado as it crosses the road, chasing down a local Skywarn spotter. We quickly flip a U-turn and get back to Highway 1. We decide to turn north and see the tornado cross the road in front of us, but had no idea it was breathing down our neck or even that close. We had to throw the car in reverse and fight the RFD as a silhouette stovepipe crosses the road ahead.
It's gonna cross in front of us. It's right there.
oh, I see it, yep. It's right in front of us.
Yep. Oh, how big is this?
Are you filming? Are you filming?
Yes, I am.
Oh shit, Scott, back up, back up, back up,
I
back
am
up.
backing up.
Okay, cool. Tornado crossing.
It's a big tornado, dude.
How's it done? It's crossing the road right now, power line's going down.
Yep.
There it is, right there.
Oh my gosh.
Huge. Back up, back up, back up,
I
back
am
up.
backing up.
Okay, cool. Tornado crossing.
It's a big tornado, dude.
How's it done? It's crossing the road right now, power line's going down.
Yep.
There it is, right there.
Oh my gosh.
Huge. Yeah, very large tornado. Watch for damage. Power line's down in front of us. Yeah, large tornado on the ground.
As the tornado continues east, it continues to grow in size and intensity. Little did we know, this was just the beginning of a devastating December night.
We begin with a Fox News alert. Tragically, more than 50 people are feared dead after 24 tornadoes ripped through the central U.S. overnight, leaving a trail of catastrophic destruction in their wake. A state of emergency.
I just dropped 65 more. Can I go right inside that door?
I've been trying to call you for hours.
Excuse me, it's cold there.
Don't know.
Okay.
Like right there.
We got more first responders coming.
I know.
Yep. You okay?
I am, but I've got residents that
All right.
House.
I don't know what you need towels for.
There's a bloody head right there.
The tornado ripped through the Monette nursing home, leaving behind nothing but a foundation littered with plywood and brick. Walls collapsed, roofs gone, and people trapped under debris, while Christmas decorations lay spread across the parking lot. The next morning brought to light just how widespread and devastating the damage was. Trailer homes ripped from their foundations and wrapped around trees. A 2-ton shipping container turned into a Christmas ornament. The nursing home? Gutted, with caution tape blocking off the horror from last night's violent display from Mother Nature. What no one was expecting was that this tornado would continue on for 3 more hours, causing even more death and destruction.